Actually, I've been coming here for 5 years before I met Engineer Celso Layos. Kaya ang DNR, nagsiiso din sa ako nga, Jo, I know that you had been going to Iligan, and Iligan had been violating on all parameters on all laws of the environment in DNR. So, tatlong laws ang na-violate, which is the Clean Water Act, and also the Ecological Solid Waste Management, and also the Clean Air Act. Puros violation, nagdugo akong dughan. And kung sana mamiyat na ako si Mayor para makita ni Mayor kung saan nagyud ni. By God's grace, na-met na ako si Engineer Layos, and then nasultihan ako si Mayor, and we went into USEC Antiporda, and we also met Regional Director, and nakita nila ang passion and dedication ni Mayor. So that's why we were given the chance. Ingon nila, ibing-ani ata ng Mayor sa Pilipinas, wala kay problema ang atong basura. So here, dati, ang Iligan is puros violation. So ngayon, puros na tayo. Congratulations kasi puros license. So DNR is very proud. DNR Region 10 is very, very proud of Iligan City. Naging banner tayo. And yun ang aming dream ni Engineer Celso. Our dream is for this solid waste management na maging benchmark, maging model siya sa buong Mindanao kung hindi sa buong Pilipinas, maging legacy natin sa mga tao sa future. And this dream has now become a reality. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, councilors. Thank you lahat. Thank you po, Sir Jean. Thank you, Sir Patrick Nunez, for supporting everything. Thank you, barangay captains, for being so effective in collecting your garbage. Thank you.